Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Legal duties in poisoning. If you suspect a homicide, you need to inform the police. If you do not inform the police, then you are punishable under 176 IPC. If false information is given, then you will be punished under 177 IPC and 203 IPC. In case of poisoning, you should collect evidences, especially gastric wash, vomitus, and urine are collected. When called by a police, you will have to give information, and not giving information to the police is punishable under 202 IPC.
thank you and thank you for watching.